Let's take you 2 years back when we embarked on a journey together. Well, not just any journey, but this one.
Hi guys, so I'm Tanishka.
I'm Amidst.
And we got married last week.
And then started one of the most epic road trips of our lives.
So for our first trip after marriage, we decided to go to Meghalaya, since Meghalaya has like a lot of unexplored areas. Last time when I was here, I did it in a little bit in a touristy way. So this time we had a very weird idea of doing it in a camper van with a rooftop tent. Have the food in the back, the stove, wood, charcoal and all. We have a rooftop tent to stay overnight.
And I'm the driver to
and the driver to take me everywhere. And the driver to take us everywhere.
Yes.
One of the reasons I love road trips is because we get to enjoy all kinds of music for hours and hours. First night in Meghalaya was tiring, freezing, and ridiculously beautiful.
It's that kind of night where you can just lie on the ground and just soak everything up there in the sky.
For tomorrow, we'll be visiting an island, Nongkhnum island. People say that it's very, very beautiful and it's quite wild out there.
Okay, fun fact. Nongkhnum Island is the Asia's second largest river island after Marjali. It is located in the western Khasi region. It's 14 km from district Nongkhnum, which is an enthralling off-road ride.
We are currently on the way to Nongkhnum Islands.
After the adventurous ride, we reached this beautiful deserted island with no one else around, except a couple of locals who also took off by the way before sunset, leaving the entire place to us. First thing we did after reaching the island was to set up a temporary home, aka Mr. Tent. It was a lot easier this time since we already did it once yesterday. It's surprising how some things bring you same amount of joy every single time, like sipping perfect cup of tea or witnessing a magical sunset. And in this case, it would be successfully setting up the tent. Now, this beautiful setup made us crave for some chai and noodles. Or maybe we were just too eager to light up the fire and cook our food the old fashioned way. Moment of reality, guys. Lighting up the fire using charcoal and wood is no piece of cake. After hours of smoky, teary eyes and charcoaly black fingers, Miss Fire came to life. Finally, our hot steamy noodles and masala chai were ready, which were also the highlight of our time in Nongkhnum. Here's an unbelievable story that made me believe in miracles. While making tea, I realized that we had forgotten to pack sugar. In that moment, my dream of having perfect tea in wilderness of Nongkhnum came crashing down. But here's a twist. We saw two locals coming our way carrying a teeny tiny sling bag, and in it there was nothing else but sugar. Isn't it a miracle, or was it my true love for chai? It was already dusk, so we barbecued some pineapples, sang songs, and danced.
Is grilling some fresh pineapples.
Miss Fire dozed off after a couple of hours, leaving us in wonderful company and comfort of Mr. Tent. Next day, after waking up in this wonderland, we spent a couple of hours exploring this beautiful island.
Last night was very chilly. See the water droplets all over the tent.
We wandered aimlessly, swam in freezing crystal clear blue waters, ran around in sparkling sandy beaches. But soon it was time to leave. We reached Cherrapunji by the evening. But then this happened.
So we got a problem today, and Tani got the ankle sprain while searching for the place to camp tonight.
What happens next? Stay tuned for next part in the series. Until then, comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel.